Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can stop Roblox crashing. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, try running the Roblox app as an administrator and see if it runs. If there is no progress, click on the search menu and open Windows settings. Now head over to App section, locate Roblox and uninstall it. After the uninstalling completes, open any type of preferred browser and search for Roblox download. Open the official Roblox website, click on Download Now button, and the downloading will start automatically. The last thing you can do is, after installing Roblox, right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to Compatibility tab and run the troubleshooter to fix any hidden problems. And that's how you can stop Roblox crashing. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.